Hi everybody, Jen Geisinger here. I thought that I would do a video this time because why does Jeff get to have all the fun? I love this time of year because even though I'm not Irish, my grandmother would make these really amazing drinks for us when we were little kids. And it was the 70s, right? So everybody loved a good grasshopper. The way you make them is a lot of people don't realize that you can go to Dairy Queen and buy their soft serve by the quart and do what you like with it. So she would take these soft serves from Dairy Queen, put them in a blender. For the kids, she would do this cream to mint syrup. For the adults, she would do a real cream to mint that had alcohol in it. But she'd put it all in here and blend it together. And you can kind of just put it in and add as much as you want just based on the color, what you think it's gonna, oh, you can't hear that. It's a little on the light side, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. So you can add as much or as little of the cream to mint as you want. It depends on your own taste for mint, and that's why these are kind of fun because you can make it more minty or less. And then just scoop it out of your little Ninja. There you go. It's like a good old-fashioned 70s grasshopper. And then of course she would throw a little filbert nut in there, which if you go to the store and ask them for filberts, they're not going to know what you're talking about. It's otherwise known as a hazelnut. So there you go. I love this drink. It reminds me of my grandmother, and it just so happens that a Shamrock shake, very similar, was the very last treat that I was able to enjoy with my grandmother before she passed. So enjoy this recipe. Have fun with your kids on Wednesday, Irish or not. It's a great way to celebrate and have a nice little dessert after dinner. Remember, if you're thinking about buying or selling a house, please don't hesitate to reach out to Jeff or I. It's an incredibly good seller's market. Buyers are having fun out there. They're competitive, and sellers are raking in the dough if they're in the right place and they're priced right. So give us a call if you need anything or have questions. Thanks a lot.